to Scott.
All right, thanks for that, Gim Hong, as well. And just also, guys, I'll share the link here now. And something that's a nice way to start the week is as well. The team go through what happened last week in regards to economic news. And it's definitely something worth checking out. That link there just goes through, the top points in regards to, what went on and why it was important in regards to economic news in regards to, we've got Jerome Powell and what he said last week, central bank talking points, and also why the US dollar strengthened as well. And I'll just quickly just touch upon the US dollar index here as well, just using Samtrade here. Weekly time frame, just to give a bit of context to what happened last week as well. We did actually, move beyond 94.50. There was a pullback on Friday, and I'll go to the 4-hour time frame now, and I'll zoom in a little bit. And there was a little bit going on, so it was pretty timely. We saw a pullback in the US dollar, and it had really moved pretty strongly with everything that's going on with the uncertainty about working out what's going to happen with US Congress with their debate over the debt ceiling and things like that. And we did see the US dollar squeeze, higher with inflation concerns persisting. But there was an announcement from Merck about a COVID drug. It was in pill form, and the market really took that, and we shifted back to risk on. So that was never a dull moment with FX, but that certainly was something that really the market liked to see. So for this week, really, it's more end of the week is going to be very interesting with the non-farm payrolls. I'll quickly just touch upon that as well, just with the economic calendar, thanks to Forex Trading Asia. So for today, there's not really a lot on. The last week's Friday currency call, Gim Hong went through what to expect from the OPEC Plus meeting as well. I'll share that link as well shortly. And then really for the US, there is a little bit of news out tomorrow night. So this is in GMT +8 time. We've got the ISM non-manufacturing PMIs. And as I said, so if we go down to the end of the week, this is really going to be what the Federal Reserve will be looking at, is the non-farm payrolls. So 460K is expected, 235K was last month. So if we do get around the 460 or even a little bit more, it's the tapering situation. And they've already talked about November. They want to see a solid number here. So that could really help propel the US dollar higher. So, even if we hold around 94, I still see that and it's stable. The catalyst is going to be that Friday night, 8:30 GMT +8 announcement.